Good morning, students. Now, in this video, we will revise the question answers of chapter 3rd, The Desert, from your book An Alien End. Okay, so let's begin. What is a popular belief about deserts? Okay, the popular belief about desert was that desert is an endless stretch of land, nothing but sand as far as one can see. As far as can we see, there is sand all over there. That is a popular belief. We used to heard this. Popular belief means a usual thing which we heard about a place. Okay, so popular belief is that a desert is an endless stretch of land, nothing but sand as far as one can see. And what are sand dunes? Sand dune basically heaps of sands. We in such type of areas we can see that strong winds blow and make heaps of sand and uh, pile them as mounds, and these are called sand dunes. These heaps of sand are called sand dunes, and sand dunes shift and move endlessly across the whole desert. Okay, time to time they change their place. Sand dunes. Name a hot and a cold desert in India. So, hot desert, Thar desert, and cold is Ladakh. Why do camels not need to sweat? What is the reason? So, what is the basically we can understand this with logic. Okay, so logic is that when it gets hot, we sweat to cool the body. Sweat keeps our body temperature constant, but the camel can drink a lot of water at one time. They can withstand high body temperature. That is why they don't sweat, and they can therefore control their body temperature, constant their body temperature. That is the reason that by which camels not need to sweat. Now, where do cactus plants store water? So, cactus plants actually survive well in the deserts. Okay, they are able to do so because of their thick stems. बिकॉज ऑफ देयर थिक स्टैम्प्स, उनकी जो स्टैम्प्स होती हैं वो बहुत मोटी होती हैं, आपने देखा होगा. ओके, सो बाय विच दे कैन स्टोर वाटर इन दैम. ओके, दे स्टोर वाटर इन देयर स्टैम्प्स. देन they also have their roots close to the surface of the ground. Their roots, okay, roots means jad. So their roots very close to the surface of the ground. This helps them absorb water quickly from the light rains which fall occasionally in the deserts. That is why cactus plants able to survive in the deserts. And how they store water, they stored water in their stems. Okay, now why is an oasis different from its surroundings? So basically, oasis is what type of place is called? Actually, there is patch of wet area found in the desert where there is a wall or pond. Okay, so we can say the fertile area in the deserts. So that particular area is called oasis. So, okay, so the surrounding of houses is different from desert because it is fertile. We can't imagine that in a desert there is a place which we can say fertile. Okay, what is fertile place means? A place where we can grow crops. Okay, so that is all about the deserts question answers. So you have to learn them, you have to revise them. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.